What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back on this fourth episode of mine. I'm still uploading once a week every Monday. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. On this week's episode, I have my friend 2016 Audi S5 pushing 333 horsepower with a 3.0 liter V6 engine with the quad exhaust, and let me just be the first to say this thing sounds good. As you can see, I'm doing an oil change for my 2006 Mitsubishi. It was well needed. Here I am going to go around a quick little tour with you guys around campus. Everyone at home who have never seen Colorado State University up in Fort Collins, here's a little short clip I made myself in my skateboard. Please enjoy. And as usual, I did end up embarrassing myself in this clip. I was just deciding whether or not to upload it, but as everyone makes mistakes, I decided to keep it as I found it amusing myself. On a much more serious note, my car did wake up in ashes this morning due to all the fires here in Colorado. Colorado continues to be a fire restricted area as we are still trying to maintain all the fires we have going on today. Please keep your fires off and continue doing the right thing by checking in next Monday with Mr. Jedi.